Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix Gmail missing emails. If your Gmail emails have disappeared, don't panic. In most cases, the messages aren't permanently deleted. They may have been archived, filtered, moved to another folder, or hidden by your Gmail settings. So, here are the best ways to find and recover missing emails. So to start, search for the missing email. So use the search bar at the top of Gmail and enter keywords such as the sender's name, subject, or a phrase from the email. You can also use search operators to include that. Next is to check the trash folder. So deleted emails remain in the trash for up to 30 days before being permanently removed. So click the three line at the top left corner, then click trash, find the missing email, then select it and move to inbox. So you can click the three dots in the top right corner, then click move to and choose inbox, or you can add new label. Next is to look in the spam folder. So sometimes legitimate emails are incorrectly marked as spam. So open the spam folder. If you find the email, click report not spam. So just click the three dots and you should see report not spam. Next is to check the all mail folder. So archive emails disappear from your inbox but remain in all email. So open all email from the left menu, then search for the missing message and move it back to the inbox if needed. Next is to clear search history. So click the three line in the top left corner, then scroll down to settings. Then from here, scroll down and select data privacy. Then at the bottom, select clear search history. Then tap on clear to confirm the action. Next, you can check your storage space. If your Google account storage is full, so new emails may not be delivered. Visit your Google account storage page and delete unnecessary files or purchase additional storage if needed. And that's it. Thank you for watching.